How to find email notifications settings on Squarespace, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find email notifications settings. First open your browser and then click account settings, and now go to notifications, and here we'll find email preferences, and then that's it. If you here you can manage it, you can turn it off or on. You can manage anything you want here, and you can turn all of those off, and that's it. Then you can turn it on again. Now just go back, it will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.